Hi, I'm Jamie from Synapptic, and today I'm going to run through unboxing and powering up your new Synapptic tablet.
Let's begin. After you've placed your order for your new tablet, it should arrive within 3 to 5 working days. It will be delivered in a shipping bag containing this cardboard box. To start, open the shipping bag and remove the brown packaging tape from the box. Inside the box, you will see your delivery note, your order receipt, your eligibility declaration, which you will need to fill out and send back in the prepaid envelope to confirm your eligibility for VAT relief. Important information regarding passwords and usernames we use to set up the phone, and finally, the Synapptic Getting Started Manual, which includes key information about using your phone or tablet. Next, remove any packaging from the box and your Synapptic tablet. Today, we will be unboxing a new Synapptic tablet.
Synapptic sells a large range of phones and tablets. Today, we are unboxing one of our mid-range tablets. For more information about our latest devices, please visit our website. Details can be found in the description below.
Next, the tablet comes in a larger rectangular box. To open, cut the Synapptic seals in the middle edges of the box. Then, slide the bottom of the box out as shown. Keep the packaging in case you ever need to send the tablet back. The tablet comes in a fabric case. To remove from the box, pull up on the tab. To remove the fabric case, simply pull up the folded fabric on the reverse of the tablet and remove. Underneath the tablet, there are 2 compartments, which can be accessed by pulling the 2 tabs. In the right compartment, there is a charging block and a USB Type-C cable for charging your tablet. In the left compartment, there is a SIM card key for opening up the SIM card tray.
Please note that Samsung only provide mains chargers for some of our tablets. This is to cut down on electrical waste, so you will either need to use one for a previous device or purchase a new one from our website.
Now, let's run through the key exterior features of the tablet. On the back of the tablet, there is a rear camera. On one edge of the tablet, there are 2 buttons, a smaller button for turning the tablet on and off, and a larger button for turning the volume up and down. On the other edge of the tablet is the SIM card tray, which can be opened using the SIM card key. Inside the SIM card tray are spaces for the SIM card and also for an SD card for additional storage. We provide a SIM card with £10 of credit so you can make texts and calls straight away. This card can be replaced with an existing SIM card if needed. Please note that not all tablets have the ability to make and receive texts and calls. On the bottom edge of the tablet, there is a small socket where the charging wire plugs in. Now, to turn on the tablet, hold down the power button on the edge of the tablet and wait for around 3 seconds or until you feel a small vibration. When the tablet turns on, Synapptic will launch automatically.
So, today we've run through unboxing your new tablet, what's inside the box, and the external features of the tablet. Hopefully, you are now more familiar with your new Synapptic tablet. If you've enjoyed the video today, please like and subscribe. And for more information, call us on 0191 9097 909 or visit our website at www.synaptic.com. A link can be found below in the description. Thanks for watching.